Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today we are discuss with you the importance of business environment. What is the importance of business environment? Why it is required? Any organizations when you established there is a different factor constantly affected your growth. So the business environments the focus to the prepare with you to develop your business and achieve a maximum profit through a particular goal. So business environment is the important factor to identify the success of the business in the modern era. There is a vital opportunities of the business environment as following. First is the identifying the opportunity of and analysis of the business environment enable to entrepreneurs to identify the various positive opportunities is the present in the market and the nearby the business. So through the business environments are honor identify the business uh, opportunities and grab and create a analysis about it. The other opportunities is identifying the threats. uh, this A study of the environment, business environments can help to the uh, compare the analysis and the positive opportunities of the business, because there is so many opportunities are available in the environments, and what is the positive for your business. Business environments help to the identify the positive for your business and help to the grow. Accumulated the useful resources. There is so many factor and the resources are available nearby the business environment, business surrounding. What is the important for the business? You never consider without the study of the environment. The environment fully consider you what is the useful resources for your business. When you identify the resources of the business, at that time you are the naturally present to the what is your performance, what you want to do, what is the situations of the market, what is the resources is available to do work. There is so many criteria to uh, available through the studies of the environment. So environment is the accumulate the useful resources to help the development of the business organizations. There is so many goods and services are available in the market. What's the you want to produce? That means what is you produce in these times according to the analysis of the demand, according to the analysis of the consumer behavior. You must be honestly determined what you want to produce, because otherwise when you not study the business environment, you never consider, you never determine what you produce and what you services give. So business environments help to the use the useful resources which are present in the environment. Adjustment to change. What is the adjustment to change? Day to day there is a change in the demand. Day to day there is a change of the marketing competitions. Day to day change the different technology, and so many implementation is the present day to day in the business. And without the help of the business environment, you never ever this type of the situations. If you must be able to compete your business, it is a must to avoid the changes of the local environment, business environments, that you establish the business to the compete your competitors. So business environments help to the make change in the business to suitable environment. uh, Formations of plan and the policies. Through the study of the business environment, and organizations can identify the various threats and opportunities to its and the accountabilities frames to the establishment and growth, and there are so many factors which help to the increases the business. He makes a plan to how can you manipulate the resources, how can you use the resources, how can you stand in the market. So it's a never consider when you know uh, determine what is the present situations of the business environment. He regularly focus the business environments. He aware to what's happening next. So he makes the well plan to attempt the problems of the business, attempt to the market competitions, attempt to the so different factors he easily attempt without the help of the environment, a business environment. He never to fight against the different conditions and the different situation. Improvement the performance. Organizations that they carefully studies their business environment and the acknowledged uh, adopted to the different situations and the different process according to the requirements, according to the changes. He adopted different policies, he adopted different technology, he adopted market changes, and so this way he improved the performance of the business and makes the make uh, various types of the activities which help to the growth of the business and operating a much sorry much more profit of the business organization. So it is a very useful to establishment of the business to present a higher competition for your competitor, and the establishment long time ago and makes the highest profit in the business organization. A study of the business environment is a very useful because it's help to the different way to the establish the business and then increases the profit of the business organizations. Okay, thank you.